Hello everyone. So today we are going to see test and score and predictions in Python. We are using Jupyter Notebook. As you can see, I have taken the data for the cancer patient data sets and will perform various programs to just see the test and score and to predict. So first, we are going to import NumPy and Panda, and then we are going to check our data set. So our data set comprises of 1,000 rows and 24 columns. Then we are going to see the shape of data of our data, and we are going to describe our data. Then we can see our data, like we have named our data as cancer. So we can see that information of all the cancers, like its T types, its memory usage. Then we are going to start visualization of our data. So I have performed a correlation between alcohol use, age, and air pollution with the variant index. So as you can see, there are all three correlations related to it. Then we are going to perform a heat map. Heat map is like we are performing a correlation, as you can see. Then we are going to split the data. We are going to split the data like in variable x and y. So the train size will be 70% to 30%, and that's how we are going to split. So we can see our both splitted data. This is the x train and the y train. Then we can simply start the we can use our statistics. We are going to see the all the regression line. It's going to be a simple regression. We can see the summary of our data. Then we are going to visualize the regression line. I have taken few numeric values to just show how the regression line works. Then we are going to predict the Y train prediction, and we are going to see as we have seen the Y train prediction and the Y train. We are going to calculate the residuals, and this is the formula of taking out the residual. Now we are going to perform a kind of it's a figure. We are showing how the Y train and how what is the like residual. This is the plot for the residual. We are performing a scatter plot for the residual. Then we are going to test our we are going to predict the Y test, and this is how we are going to perform it. This is all the values. Then we are going to import R square. R squares increase our accuracy. So we can see the R score for our Y test and Y test spread. And we are going to perform a scatter plot for the X test and Y test prediction. Then again, we are going to split the data, that our trained data and the test data into 70% to 30%. And then we are going to reshape our data. This is how we are going to reshaping our data. Then we'll again perform a linear regression for the X train and for the Y train. And after doing this, we are making a prediction for our Y value. And then after predicting all the and after performing all the programs, we can compare our both R square value for both train test data and the train data and the test data. As you can see, this is how we can compare. These both are the values for train data and for the test data. That's all for today.